Everyone, today I'm going to introduce how to randomly assign participants to different conditions in your experiments. As we can see in this Psychopy experiment, there are two conditions, condition A and condition B, and they are all routine components in Psychopy. Now, if we do not change everything, Psychopy will execute the three routines in the order of left to right. However, the effect we want to realize is to randomly assign participants into either condition A or condition B. Therefore, we have to set repetitions for condition A and condition B. We need to insert loops for condition A first. When inserting the loops, we should notice that there is a parameter called nreps, which means number of repetitions. We need to change the value to a variable. Here we use areps. And similarly, we should change the parameter in condition B to breps. Why we need to change the parameter nreps? It's because this parameter controls how many times the Psychopy program goes through it. For example, if areps is equal to 1, the Psychopy program will go through condition A routine once. If we change it to 2, the Psychopy experiment will go through it twice. And we can use custom code to generate random numbers and assign different values to the parameters I mentioned before. So in the left, we can see some Python codes. Okay, so in the Python codes, we need to import random package first. And in the second line, we can generate a random number between 0 and 1. So if the random number is 0, we can set the areps parameter to 1 and the breps parameter to 0. And that can help us realize the effects of assigning participants to the first condition. And we should notice that the auto-translation will not work. It is because there is no import function in JavaScript. So if you use the auto-translation feature of Psychopy and upload your experiments to online platforms such as Math.floor, it will fail. We need to change the code type to both. Then we need to delete the first two lines and change it into let random value equals to Math.floor, Math.random times 2. And this syntax can help us generate a random number of 1 or 0. And by that means, we can realize the effect of randomly assigning participants. Let's enter the first try. As we can see, the participant is randomly assigned into condition A. And we'll give it another shot to see whether the participant can be randomly assigned to condition B. Okay, it seems that the program still assigned the participants to condition A. The code itself is correct. Let's give it another try. As we can see in another trial, the participant is successfully assigned into condition B.